As always, first thing first, we'll launch the Legend app, and it's open. Okay, notice the text there. Notice some of the buttons by the side. Notice the 52 written by the right edge. That's to tell you the number of text or characters available for you or left for you to type. And notice the highlighted text now. Let's type something. Let's say penguins are beautiful. We got this. When you're done with your text, whatever text it is you want to write, be it your name or an introduction or something, you click the good button right in the middle here. And then you have some extra options. The option to delete, to search, that's on the right, and then the play button, and then you have the gallery button, and then you have the camera button. This is to include a picture you like. Using the camera button by the top left, or rather by the farmost left side, it means you want to snap something as your background. But we're going to be using this close to the camera button here. And then find a group of pictures, and okay, I have a beautiful dolphin picture here. You crop to your taste, and okay. So penguins are beautiful. You have that right now. So what you do next is to press the play button in the center. Watch this. I trust you like that. Okay, now there are all the designs available up here on the top column here. While you select, new options comes out for you, new designs, new animations, they're rolling for you. So whatever works for you, you do it. Alright, framed, still looks good, looks nice. Then down here, you can adjust colors of your write-ups as well as the background to match. You can see them change. I'm using pink, and you see what it's looking like. White, this is what it's looking like. Black as well, this is what it's looking like. Okay, so whatever works for you. I think I'll go with this black. When you're done with this, you have the buttons down there. But there's one button up here. Notice this one here. It is, you can select how you want it to be, in landscape, to the extent when you bend your phone, when you turn your phone horizontally, you can view in landscape mode, or square, your normal Instagram size. You can select 720 pixels, 1080 pixels. Well, let's just go with 512 for the size, because these things determine the size of your videos. 512. Then on the last line here, you have the save button, the share button, and the Facebook Messenger button. That is, you want to share to your Facebook Messenger a recipe on Facebook. So let's save now. We have the option to save as a GIF. I believe we know what GIF are, and then to save as a video. But we're working on the video right now, so let's save as video. And the saving has begun. Voila, we're done. You can choose to go and view it right now. That is already a video. This video that's playing right now, it's already on your mobile phone. Now what we'll do next is to go back, because we are creating more than just one slide. Let's do something else. Okay, well, if you just want to create one like this, it's okay, it's fine. So what you do next is to go back to create another one. So this time I want to use the new text entirely. Unless you want to keep talking about penguins, you can continue using this background as well, or just whatever it is that works for you. Okay, now I'll be saying fishes are awesome. Of course, fishes are awesome. We know that. All right. Now to change pictures, we just repeat the process as you did it before. This button again, and then voila, I got a fish here, and boom, we have a fish at the background. And as always, we press the play button, and then lots of designs pop up again for us. You can use whatever you want. I think I'll be working on the blink this time. Don't forget, you can always change your color. I'm using the yellow now. Fishes are awesome. You can choose to use any color you wish, whatever works for you. Use it, and then, as always, you come down to save as video. And okay. All right, here we go. So this is awesome. We're done now. So we're done with this. You can create as much slides as possible, as much videos, and as much text and pictures. You can create as much as you can. Okay. But the question is, how do you mesh these things together? Now, let's head down to Inshot, shall we? Okay, now, the next step is to launch the Inshot app. You can use other apps as well, including the Viva Video Pro. Alright, but here we'll be using the Inshot, okay? The Inshot, we'll launch it open. And it's open. With the Inshot, you can work on photos as well. You can do collages as well with your Inshot. You know what you call your grid, or BlackBerry that would call picnics. Okay, then but we're working on videos right now, so let's do this, shall we? Allow. It's my first time opening the app on this device. Okay, now I have to select the videos I want to combine. Wow, I've got so much videos here anyway. So this is my penguin video. Select them in the order which you want them. So this is my penguin video, and this is my fish video, and I just want to combine those two. Okay, now they're here. Okay, some instructions here, you can read them anyway. Okay, thank you. All right, so now you have noticed the environment here, the save button at the top right corner, the help button here, and to go back, you have the back button at the top left corner. Notice the canvas size. The canvas actually, okay, notice the canvas, you can decide the size of the screen. This is the Instagram size. This is a 4.5, it gets longer, and that's your normal phone screen. You have the 16.9, the YouTube version. I hope you can see them change. The TikTok version, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, 2 to 3, and so on. So let's just work with the Instagram size, normal size. All right. Then that's that. You can add music here, stickers. You can add extra text to your video. You can change the filter from black and white to anything you want it to be, any effect you want your video to take. You can see them changing. Okay. And that is original. We also have effects there. So let's go back. All right. Okay. We have pre-cut. With this, you can trim the video anyhow you want it. You can split the video as well. You can delete one of the videos. If you select more than 1, 2, 3 videos, you can delete one of them. You can change your background. Background applies basically more when you are using a size that's different from the Instagram size, or something that's not so large up to the screen. All right. So I'm using the black background right now, but this is optional for you. You can adjust the size of the speed of the video. Sorry, if you want it to be faster, slower, you can adjust that from there. The volume controls. If you want to duplicate a video, make it appear twice, one slide twice. You can rotate it as well. If you want to, you can choose to flip to the other side. Left to right, right to left. Now you can choose to freeze the video. Okay, so let's work right now. Now notice this slider down here. I want you to take note of this because we'll be working on them basically too while we are hitting our Kine Master as well. Okay, let's proceed from here. Okay, now let's press the play button right in the center here. Notice this. Penguins are beautiful. Awesome. Fishes are awesome. Now we have one video. They're both one video now. So imagine you adding 2, 3, 4 and more videos. You need everything goes together. So it's not left for you to arrange and make the orientation. Let's add the music to it. Okay, some instructions there. So let's click on the track here. Let's select from my music in my library. Let's see, I trust I got good songs here. Okay. Well, let's just records now. Okay, use. You might not like the song, but that's okay. It's one of my favorites anyway. So let's see. Okay, now this music didn't get to where I wanted to. So what I do now is to click on this music slider here, and then I'll adjust it to where I want it to start from, to where I want it to begin from, and where I want it to end. Okay, I think I should have done that earlier. So let's just go back. All right. But nonetheless, that's fine. That's cool. So we proceed. Now, when you press the play button, you have your music playing along with your video, and then if you need to add any more effects, stickers. Let's see if we got to. You can choose to add any of these stickers here. Download more stickers, or use the ones existing already, or you can use your pictures as stickers. You can go search for one. Let's see. Aha, I got my logo there, and then I can use my logo as a sticker. Of course, I made this, right? Yeah. Well, I can delete this one. Just one, so I put it here. Okay, good. And you can choose how long you want the sticker to last. Too. I want it to start from the beginning to the end. Okay, so let's adjust. Okay, now it started from the beginning of the video and it's going to end at the end. Now let's play again from the top, shall we? Okay, notice how fast this is. Alright, now I want it to be a bit slower, so I'll go touch the speed button. How speedy should it be? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's make it slower, shall we? Okay, now let's try. Now the video is going to be longer, so let's play again. Alright, now that's basically that for that. Alright, I think these are basically the basics. Let's see what you can do and then we can proceed to the next. Okay, so you click the save button and then you click the save again. 512 pixels always recommended. So you wait for it to save. Try not to exit your screen yet. Converting video. Alright, as soon as it gets to 100%, you can go to your gallery and view your video. Now, tell me what you think about the video in the comment section and click the subscribe button. Thank you.